Start by navigating to the listings page if you're not there already. Select the bid button next to the load that you wish to offer a higher price point. On the pop-up, enter the bid amount, the contact info, and the pickup and delivery estimates. If the bid falls outside of the shipper's max price range, it will automatically be rejected. You can only bid once every 30 minutes, preventing you from sitting on the bid function to find the highest price. If the bid amount falls within the shipper's predetermined range, it will be automatically accepted and the load will be added to your cart. From here, you'll check out as normal by choosing your driver and your dispatcher. The pickup and delivery estimates will be pre-filled based on what you entered when you bid. Lastly, select your vehicle for ELD tracking and then click Book Reservation.